Okay, good morning. Here they are. They had their first night outside in their nesting box in their coop last night. And they all survived. There was a nervous mother. Right now they're eating their breakfast. And they're very happy. I moved their coop so they can get some new grass and bugs, and they seem to be pretty happy. They are so cute. Right? And they're so big. I don't have to traumatize them every day by putting them in the house. Right? There they are. This one here is thinking about going up the ramp. They've learned how to do that on their own. And they were all in there sleeping nice and cozy last night when I got home. Okay, so I just wanted to send this out to everybody. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.